Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how PNC Bank's overdraft protection works. PNC Bank offers a few solutions to manage overdrafts, overdraft protection, overdraft coverage, and their unique low cash mode for virtual wallet accounts. Overdraft protection is a service where you link your checking account, called the protected account, to another eligible PNC account, like a savings account, money market account, credit card, or line of credit, which acts as the protecting account. If you don't have enough money in your checking account to cover a transaction, PNC automatically transfers available funds from your linked protecting account to cover the shortage. The good news is that there is typically no fee for these automatic transfers from a deposit account. If you link a credit card or line of credit, standard interest charges on the advance will apply. If you have a virtual wallet account with a spend, reserve, and growth account, overdraft protection is automatically set up to draw funds first from your reserve account and then from your growth account to cover the spend account. Overdraft coverage is a separate, optional service that you must specifically opt into. If you opt in, PNC may choose to pay, at their discretion, your ATM withdrawals and everyday, one-time debit card transactions even if you don't have enough available money. If PNC pays the transaction, you will be charged their standard overdraft fee, which is a maximum of $36 per business day. If you do not opt in, these types of transactions will generally be declined. Low cash mode is a feature included with PNC virtual wallet accounts designed to help you avoid overdraft fees. Intelligent alerts notify you when your balance is low. Extra time gives you at least 24 hours to bring your available spend account balance to at least zero before you are charged an overdraft fee. Payment control allows you to choose whether certain checks and ACH transactions are paid or returned when your balance is negative. If your virtual wallet account remains negative after the extra time expires, you may be charged the overdraft item fee, which is currently a maximum of 1 fee per day. PNC also provides a small $5 safety buffer if your account is overdrawn by $5 or less after all transactions are posted for the day. Any overdraft fees are automatically refunded. To summarize, PNC offers a multi-layered approach, fee-free automatic transfers with overdraft protection, discretionary coverage for ATM/debit card transactions with overdraft coverage which incurs a fee, and the preventive tools of low cash mode on virtual wallet. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.